I'm Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly, lead the house down!
Hi, friends.
Hi, Fluffy.
It's so great to see you all here, isn't it, Fluffy? Fluffy? What are you looking for?
I brought my favorite book in here today, but I can't seem to find where I put it.
Fluffy, does your book kind of look blue and fluffy and has a slice of your favorite pizza on it?
Yes?
Well, I wanted some gum yesterday, and so I saw your bag hanging on the hook, and then that's when I saw your book there, and I kind of took it so that I could read it.
Well, I wish that you had asked before borrowing it, but where is it?
I think I lost it.
You what?
Oh, geez, I think Fluffy is really upset with me. What should I do?
Say sorry. Make a good apology.
That's a great suggestion.
You have to make sure your apology is sincere.
Absolutely. Fluffy,
Yes?
I am really, really sorry for taking your book. Do you think you could ever forgive me?
Not really sure what to say exactly. What do you do when somebody apologizes to you?
You could become friends again and accept it. You could say it's okay, but not to do it again.
Okay. Faye, I know you didn't mean to lose my book, so I love you and I forgive you.
I love you, Fluffy.
Ooh. Have any of you ever done something where you hurt somebody's feelings, but you didn't mean it?
I upset my brother once when I was playing, so then I said sorry, and then he took it.
And what did you say when your brother
I
apologized?
said, I accept your apology, don't do it again.
And it seems like lots of us accidentally upset people when we don't really mean to.
That happens to me. I usually upset my sister Iris. I always say I'm sorry, but without knowing, I always do the same thing again.
Right.
And if you keep on doing it again and again, one day, they're never gonna accept your apology again.
I might feel a little bit sad if somebody didn't accept my apology.
You know what? I'm gonna go and find that book.
I'd appreciate that. Maybe we can cross our fingers that my book is gonna turn up. Find that book!
Find that book! Find that book!
Moogie! Rise and shine, friendo.
I was sleeping, and your singing scared me, Fuzz.
Oh.
It seems like you've upset Moogie, Fuzz. What do you do when you've upset someone?
Sing some more?
Maybe an apology?
Oh, an apology. Wait, what is that?
An apology is something that you do when you've done something that upsets someone.
How do I make an apology?
You've already done the first step. You've acknowledged that you've done something wrong and taken responsibility for it.
Hey!
Maybe there's something that you could say that could let Moogie know that you didn't intend to wake them up.
Oh, I really want to say sorry.
You've already done the next steps in making an apology, saying sorry and making sure it's from your heart.
Aw, thank you for saying sorry, Fuzz.
And the final step is the forgiveness part, which isn't always the easiest thing to do.
Since I'm awake, want to sing that song now?
A 5, 6, 7, 4, zoop, doop, doobity boop.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I am really good at saying sorry. I love my friends and family, but there have been times when I hurt their feelings. Like yesterday at recess, my best friend Ava and I were playing a game, and we ran out of time to play her game. And I know she was disappointed. When I realize I'm wrong, but I don't know what to say, I like to make an I'm sorry card. This is for my friend Ava. It says, sorry we didn't have enough time to play your game at recess. I'm on my way to give Ava her I'm sorry card. I'm sorry. I forgive you. I feel much better now that I gave my best friend Ava her I'm sorry card. And now I know that she feels better.
Are y'all ready to sing the Settle Down song?
We certainly are.
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is I'm Sorry, written by Michael Ian Black and illustrated by Debbie Ridpath Ohi. Flamingo, are you okay?
Potato hurt my feelings.
Oh no, but you and Potato are such good friends. What happened?
We were having fun playing superheroes when he said something really mean.
Oh, Flamingo, I'll go talk to him. Hi, Potato.
It's not my fault.
Well, whose fault is it when you say mean things?
Mine. It's all my fault.
Oh, Potato.
Flamingo will never want to be my friend ever again. I feel terrible.
Oh, no.
I think I know what would help. How do you think Potato is feeling right now?
Sad.
But Potato's the one that did something mean.
Well, he could say sorry for saying something mean, and then they can be friendship.
I think I know what would help.
A sandwich? That's a good idea.
No, not a sandwich, an apology.
You want me to tell Flamingo I'm sorry?
Uh-huh.
What if instead I run away to the South Pole to live with the penguins?
I don't think that would help.
Or what if I put on a disguise and we can all pretend that I'm somebody else?
I don't think that would help either, Potato.
Or what if I give Flamingo all of my money?
No.
Oh, good, because I don't have any money.
Do you have any ideas of things that you could do for somebody if you want to apologize? Yeah.
Maybe he could bake, like, a cake? A cake that looks like a flamingo.
Perfect idea. Potato, you have to tell Flamingo you're sorry.
But that's so hard. Saying I'm sorry is maybe the hardest thing to say in the entire world. Even harder than saying solanum tuberosum. That's just a fancy way of saying potato.
Has anyone ever had to do anything that felt really hard?
I didn't know what my sister's playing with her toy, so she said, hey, I was playing with it. So then I said sorry and I gave it back. Sometimes it's really hard to say sorry.
What did you do to help yourself be able to say you were sorry?
I read the How to Apologize book.
Oh, good idea.
Potato, do you feel sorry?
The sorriest.
And you know what you did was wrong.
The wrongiest.
Then you already did the hard part. Now you just have to tell Flamingo.
Well, howdy, partners. Mind if I play with you cowpokes?
I know it's you, Potato.
Oh,
Don't you have something to say?
I do. Flamingo, I just want to say
Yes?
that I was only joking and it wasn't my fault and...
Potato!
And...
I'm sorry!
You really hurt my feelings.
I know.
And I still feel pretty upset.
I'm sorry. I feel really, really, really bad about it, and I know there's nothing I can do to take it back, but I hope one day we can be friends again. Guess I'll just take my really cool cowboy costume and go.
Potato, it might be nice if we had somebody else to play with.
Me, me, me.
And it might be nice if I had a hug from my friend.
Me? I'm so sorry. Friends?
Friends. See? That wasn't so hard, was it?
It was really hard, but it was so worth it.
Why did you bring me here? It's so hot.
I'm sorry.
The
Did you all like the story we shared today?
Yeah!
Did you all like learning about the importance of saying sorry and being forgiving?
Yeah!
Thank you, Fluffy, for forgiving me and accepting my apology, but I feel like such a silly goose.
Why do you say that, Faye?
Oopsie doodles.
Where did you find it?
It was in my bag the entire time. We're so happy that you were able to join us today.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read. See you next time.